We want to solve the equation cos theta is 0.3 for values of theta in the range from 0 to 360. We're going to use the cast diagram to do this, and the meaning of ASTC should be well established by now. We discussed it at length in example 1. So we'll begin with our equation cos theta is 0.3. To find the principal value of theta, on the calculator we do shift cos, giving us the inverse cosine of 0.3. And this gives us 72.5 degrees. We can mark this on the cast diagram just here. We have a cosine and its value is positive, and that tells us that the other solution must be in the C quadrant, since that's the only other place in the cast diagram where the cosine is positive. So we mark the angle in the C quadrant. Symmetry tells us that it must be 72.5 degrees from the horizontal axis. Looking for solutions from 0 to 360, we start at 0 and go around until we meet our first solution. We meet this first solution at 72.5 degrees. We then continue around until we meet the next solution, and we meet this solution 72.5 degrees before 360. So to calculate, we do 360 degrees, take away 72.5 degrees. We then continue going around until we reach 360 degrees, and we meet no more solutions. So our solutions are 72.5 degrees and 287.5 degrees, correct to one decimal place.